Today we're critiquing a collage I've made. I'm going to share what I like, what I don't, and what I'll do differently. I'm judging the collage, not myself. All right, I'm going to do all of these together because these are post-crossing postcards, so I've got to send these out soon. So first one is for someone who is an avid reader. So I created a bookmark in a collage format. So on the back, I basically told her that she can cut in between the blue lines and she can get her bookmark. I really like this. She said she liked language and books. So I was like, all right, this is it. If I did it again, I might add a couple of things, but honestly, when I'm doing post-crossing, I just have to make sure that I can get it done quickly because I will have 24 hours to send it off. So as soon as I ask for an address, I should send it off as soon as I possibly can. So I'm not going to diddle daddle around with the collage. I'll read through their profile and then see what they like and what they don't like, and then go from there. This is another one. She actually told me about this art style, which I'm going to put up on the screen. I had never even heard of it. I guess I had seen it before. It's a German word, but a very French, in my mind, very French design. But I did the best I could with what I had. I don't have a lot of like whimsical like flowers and that kind of thing. So I did the best I could, and I told her that on the back, and I even said to her like, hey, if you have any critiques because you like this type, please let me know. So that was it. What I like is that I tried a new art form, and it's very surreal types. It's very surreal in its style, but I like the fact that it kind of adds, like, it's almost like a maximalist style where you can have fruits and birds and leaves and all kinds of things. So I like that. This one is probably my favorite postcard that I've done in a long time. She said that she likes maps, she likes hands, and she likes stamps, and I was like, I got that. So I really like this. I love the fact that I was able to give her a variety of different stamps, not just US stamps. I was immediately, as soon as I read her profile, I knew exactly what I was going to do, and I really like this one. I don't think I would change anything except take this stamp and put it above this little finger so it kind of looks like she's grabbing it, but other than that, I'm really happy with this one. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What would you do differently? And then this one, speaking of maximalism, she said that she liked maximal art, which I had to look that up, and this is kind of what it looks like. And she liked cats and cameras. And so I was like, all right. And this is the first time I've ever done this type of maximalist collage, and I thought this is really cool because there are some images that I really, really like, but they just don't match with other things that I'm doing. If I look at them long enough, like this CD disc, like I probably would have never used that, maybe for an eye or something like that. But this got me really motivated for another collage that I did, and it really turned out well. So I'm happy that I tried it. What would I change? I think that it has a lot of green, and so maybe I would change a little bit of that, add a couple of pops of color or yellow here. Other than that, I think for, the idea that I took all of these addresses in one day, read them, and did all of these collages over like 36 hours, I'm pretty happy with what I did. But please let me know, first of all, which one is your favorite? And I'll tell you my favorite. And then, actually, let's try this one. There we go. Do you like the birds? Do you like the stamps? Do you like the kitty cat or the sunray bookmark? Which one do you like the best? And in the comments, I will write which one is my favorite too.